Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, so I am in Albany, New York. I'm at the Amtrack train station, and I'm about to unload my Trike from the back of my car and head over and get on the train going to Buffalo, where I'm going to start the trip heading down the Erie Canal. So I'm really looking forward to it. I had to change my plans a little bit because I forgot my passport, which means I'm not going to Canada. But it still should be a pretty good trip. So I hope you enjoy the video. Helmet, canopy, extra chargers and battery bag. Everything fits. Had a bit of an accident and my flag broke and I can't get it out of this thing to put this one in. For all you doubters that say Amtrack will never allow it, here it is. We're here. We're about to stop at the final stop in Buffalo, where I'm getting off. It's about 2 or 3 miles from the start of the 400-mile trail. So yeah, I'm about to get started. I'm really looking forward to it. The train got delayed, but I should still have enough time to get out of Buffalo, to get well out of Buffalo before dark. This probably isn't a place you want to be after dark. I'm in the very last car, so they have to make 2 stops. They got to let everyone else out, and then they'll pull this car up to the ramp so that they can get the Trike out. Thank you. Yep, there goes my ride. I guess I'm stuck. Don't have a choice now. Got it all set up. Ready to go. Time to hit the road. So I am at the start of the tour. Erie Canal Trail in Buffalo. A little over 400 miles and I'll be in Albany. I need one of these for the front yard. So I've officially started my tour. I am on the Erie Canal Trail. I started back at the waterfront, and now I'm just gonna go straight through to Albany. When I get tired, I'll sleep. When I get hungry, I'll eat. And when I gotta, oh, you know. This side's prettier. Going a pretty good incline. At least I'm not in that. The bike path has been closed. There's no way through. So it is just past 9 at night. I found this park that's kind of close by to several towns, but it's kind of also secluded. And I'm camping out here, and I don't know if camping's allowed, but it seems deserted and it's fenced off, so hopefully everything will be okay. And I am going to bed. I only made it about 20 miles, but my train got delayed, so I got a late start. And I was only actually planning on going about 15 miles to a campsite in Canada, but I left my passport at home. So I just got as far away from Buffalo as I could before I just couldn't go anymore, and before it started getting dark.
I've got an old mule and her name is Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. She's a good old worker and a good old pal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. We've hauled some barges in our day, filled with lumber, coal, and hay. And every inch of the way I know, from Albany to Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, we must be getting near a town. You can always tell your neighbor, you can always tell your pal, if he's ever navigated on the Erie Canal.